Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills and flowing rivers, there lived a girl named Anya. Anya was known throughout the village for hard-working nature. She lived with her parents and younger brother in a cozy cottage at the edge of the village. Every day, Anya would wake up before the sun rose, while the rest of the village still slept. She would quietly tiptoe out of her house and start her day by fetching water from the well. The well was quite far, but Anya didn't mind the long walk. She enjoyed the quiet mornings and the sound of birds chirping. After bringing the water home, Anya would help her mother in the kitchen. She learned to cook and bake at a very young age. Her favorite thing to make was bread. She loved kneading the dough and watching it rise in the warm kitchen. When the bread was finally baked, the whole house would fill with the delicious aroma. Once the morning chores were done, Anya would go to school. She was a diligent student, always paying attention to her lessons and doing her homework on time. Her favorite subjects were math and science. Anya's teacher, Mrs. Petal, often praised her for her curiosity and eagerness to learn. "You have a bright future ahead of you, Anya," she would say. After school, while other children played games or took naps, Anya would head to the fields to help her father. He was a farmer, and the work was hard, but Anya never complained. She would help plant seeds, water the crops, and pull out weeds. The work was tiring, and her hands would get dirty, but she loved the feeling of the soil and the sense of accomplishment it brought. In the evenings, Anya would sit by the fireplace and read books. She loved the stories about faraway lands and brave heroes. Her dream was to travel the world one day and learn about different cultures and people. Her parents always encouraged her dreams and told her that with hard work, anything was possible. One day, an announcement was made in the village. There was going to be a big competition in the nearby town, and the winner would get a scholarship to study in the prestigious school. Anya's eyes lit up with excitement. This was her chance to achieve her dreams. She decided to participate in the competition. For the next few weeks, Anya worked harder than ever. She studied late into the night, preparing for the competition. She practiced her math problems, read science books, and even improved her English. Her family supported her every step of the way, making sure she had everything she needed. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. Anya was nervous but determined. She wore her best dress and carried a small bag with all her books and notes. The competition was tough, with many talented students from different villages participating. But Anya gave it her all. She answered questions confidently and wrote her essay with passion. When the results were announced, Anya couldn't believe her ears. She had won first place. The whole village celebrated her victory. Her parents were overjoyed, and Mrs. Petal was proud. Anya had not only won the scholarship, but had also inspired many other children in the village to work hard and follow their dreams. With the scholarship, Anya went on to study at the prestigious school. She continued to work hard and excel in her studies. She made new friends and learned many new things, but she never forgot her village and the people who supported her. Years later, Anya returned to her village as a successful scientist. She built a small school to help other children get a good education. She wanted to give back to her community and make sure that every child had the opportunity to achieve their dreams. Anya's story is a reminder that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of support, anything is possible. She showed that no matter where you come from, you can achieve great things if you believe in yourself and never give up. And so the hard-working girl from the small village became an inspiration to many, proving that dreams do come true. Hardworking, putting a lot of effort and dedication into tasks. Diligent, showing care and effort in one's work or duties. Curiosity, a strong desire to know or learn something. Competition, a contest or event in which people try to win by being the best. Scholarship, a grant or payment made to support a student's education. Prestigious, having high status, respected. Determined, having made a firm decision and being resolved not to change it. Inspire, to feel someone with the urge or ability to do or feel something. Opportunity, a set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. Celebrate, to acknowledge a significant event with a social gathering or enjoyable activity. Accomplishment, something that has been achieved successfully. you.